Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how you can join Daraz affiliate program. So for that you will be needing a browser. You can use your desktop or your mobile device as well. So you'll have to search for Daraz affiliate program in your search bar, and the affiliate link will come up at the first. So all you have to do is click on it and it will take you to this Daraz affiliate program link. So here you will see a lot of terms and condition agreements, so you can go through all of them here if you scroll down, and at the top you'll see this sign up now button. You will have to press on this to sign up with Daraz. So after that they will give you an affiliate sign up form. This is a lengthy form. You'll have to fill it properly, and then your account will be created. So let's go through it. So first of all, you can sign up as an individual or company. Select which one you are. Then you can fill up your name, your business administration registration number, email address, national ID of the country that you live in. So select the country here as well, city, postal address, phone number, and then you can give your platform URL here as well, your primary platform URL here as well. So when you scroll down, you will see monthly traffic size. You can select as well. Just select the traffic that you expect, and then you'll have to provide the tax and legal information, tax ID here as well. Also VAT rate and VAT applicable, yes or no, you'll have to select here as well. Also you can select your payment option as bKash or bank account if you are joining from Bangladesh. So after you fill all this, you'll have to submit this form, and your affiliate account will be ready. So what happens is when you copy any products link and share it to your friends or family, and if they buy the product from that link, you'll get a commission because you are an Daraz affiliate. So this is how you can easily create or join a Daraz affiliate program. That was all for today guys. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.